Hello. Hello. We are live right now on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook, and on YouTube. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. So we are live. Welcome. Hi, you all. Hello. Hello. We are live on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. We are live everywhere, okay? And we're going to talk about, welcome. We're going to talk about five ways to massively increase your income. And y'all, I'm trying to get all the devices working, so bear with me. We're going to discuss 5 ways to massively increase your income before 2023 ends. Okay, 5 ways. Hi, tender love and care. Thank you for joining on Instagram. So we're live right now on Facebook. We're live on TikTok. We're live on Instagram. Yeah. And we're going to talk about 5 ways to massively increase your income in 2023. I'm going to give you some secret things that really help. And honestly, I only give them to my clients, but I was like, I want to come on live. So I usually come on live every Thursday at 7 p.m. And then every Tuesday. But yesterday was a holiday, so I didn't go live yesterday. So I figure I'll come on live today. Okay. So listen, we're talking about 5 secret strategies to massively increase your cash flow, increase your revenue, and increase your profit. So no matter where you're joining me from right now, go ahead and hit the share button, okay? Hit the share button. If you're on Instagram, hit the notification button as well, so you'll know each time I go live. Like I said, I go live on ProfitCon every Thursday at 7 p.m. So make sure you come back this Thursday, tomorrow at 7 p.m. as well, all right? So who am I? I am Octavia. I am the CEO of Say Yes to Profits. Say Yes to Profits is your primary accounting firm that offers concierge, business management, CFO, financial and tax services to high net earning entrepreneurs and individuals. Okay. Our whole goal here at Say Yes to Profits is to make sure that you have more cash flow, more profit, and you pay less taxes. Okay. That's ultimately saying yes to profits for us. And so today I want to come on really quickly and give you 5 ways to secretly, massively increase your cash flow and revenue. A lot of times business owners have problems earning more money in business. And we're in the 3rd quarter of 2023. And so now is the time to kick it up a notch, right? Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Now is the time to kick it up a notch and make sure that you massively increase your cash flow and your profit. So we're going to go ahead and deep dive into everything. Like I said, no matter where you're joining us from, Instagram world, TikTok world, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube world, thank you for joining. Hit the share button. Hit the share button right now. And let's go into the first strategy. So the first way to massively increase income, increase cash flow, increase profit is to improve your pricing strategy. Okay? Improve your pricing strategy. So you need to price your services based on the value that you bring to the table and not your potential client's budget. Tender love and care. I will look for the replay. Getting ready to leave for work. Okay, I will definitely have a replay. Thank you for joining. All right. So that was Tender love and care joining us from Instagram. She's going to watch the replay. But like I said, number 1 is improve your pricing strategy. So price your services based on the value, not your client's potential budget. That is not your concern, their budget. Your concern is what you're going to bring to the table and how do you price that. All right. And then I also recommend that you implement pricing tiers or pricing packages that is centered and caters towards or to different customers And when you do that, it'll provide you with the maximum revenue potential. So what do I mean by different pricing tiers? So you could have I call it a make money while you sleep product. And it could be $9.99, $10.99, 12, something around there. You can have a base amount, you can have a target amount, and then an elite amount, right? And so your prices is based on the value that you're going to provide in each of those levels. What that does is positions your business so that you earn money no matter your customer's budget, because you can serve them where they are, and it's still a benefit to you and it is a benefit to them. All right. This is still under improve your pricing structure. You also want to add, when you're thinking about pricing, add your desired profit margin in the price. So what do you desire to have left over after you've provided your services and products to your clients, after you've covered all of your expenses? What do you want to have left over? 20%, 10%, 9%? What is it? 30%, 40%? Whatever that percentage is, add it in your pricing formula. And then when the customer pays, that's the amount that you sit to the side in your profit account, your savings account. All right? So the first way to massively have more cash flow and more revenue before 2023 ends is to improve your pricing structure. Improve your pricing structure. That's tip number one. I have 4 more to give you. When you attend Passion to Profit, I'm going to show you exactly how to price in each tier so that pricing and earning money is never a problem. So for those of you that have already secured your seat to Passion to Profit, you're in for a treat, because we're going to go over the pricing structure that you need in order to make sure that you're priced correctly. Welcome to the live, Gail. Welcome, Lanika. Welcome, Anaya. Welcome, Jesse. Thank you for joining. For those of you that are joining us over on YouTube, LinkedIn, you all can leave a comment. Welcome, V. Thank you for joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So the first strategy, you all, is to improve your pricing structure. If you haven't secured your ticket to Passion to Profit, you want to go ahead and go to SYTPpassion.com and secure your ticket, because I'm going to show you how to price so that you have more money in your business continuously. All right. So let's move to the second way to massively have more cash flow and more revenue in 2023. All right. We're in the third quarter. This is time for you to kick it up a notch so that you cannot have money problems. Okay. So the second way to massively do this is to increase sales. Increase sales. What do I mean? There are a couple of ways you can increase sales. Number one, you can revisit your happy clients that you've worked with this year and see how you can serve them again, right? It is so easy. It is much easier to resell to clients you've previously worked with than trying to find new clients. You want to do both, but the sales conversation is so much easier. I'll use myself for example. I just got off the phone with a potential client that said yes on the spot, and we've served her before. So I didn't have to do any selling. I just went over what we provide, how we worked with her before. Now, the key here, you all, is that you have to provide excellent service. Now, you can't go back to clients and trying to work with them again if you haven't provided excellent service in the first place. So that's the key, okay? But one way to bring in more money in your business right now is to go and revisit happy clients and see how you can serve them again. One of the things you could do, you could send an email and say, hey, we're entering the third quarter. We worked with you previously on X project or X service. How is that going right now? How can we work with you again? What are some things that we can do to help you again? So you can ask them those things, and you never know. That's exactly what I did. I sent out an email and said, what problems do you have right now? And based on that email, a couple of people replied, and I scheduled discovery sessions. So the second way to massively increase cash flow and revenue right now is to revisit happy clients. In addition to that, have you had any discovery sessions in 2023 where the person wasn't ready to buy at that time? They wasn't ready to invest in your services at that time. If so, go back to them again. It is said statistically that it takes anywhere between 5 and 14 touches, 5 and 14 follow-ups sometimes for someone to say yes to working with you. So if they didn't say yes the first time, go back and reach out to them. They may be ready to work with you right now. Okay, this is still under increased sales. The next way to increase sales, ask your current clients for referrals. Birds of a feather flock together. Hello, income streams 1 million. Thank you for joining. Birds of a feather flock together. So ask them if you can work with someone that they know of because you're providing this service and they're your current client. So maybe you give them a credit off of their upcoming bill or something like that. But ask them, hi, thank you for joining. Ask them, can you work with, do they know anyone you can work with? Okay. This is still under number 2. All right. And then make sure your services and products are tailored to solve your client's problem. What is the problem that your ideal target client have? What are their problems? Speak to their problems constantly. I know my clients' problems, right? Our ideal clients' problems. They have cash flow problem. The CEO is not receiving a consistent CEO salary. Money is few and far between. They feel like they're on a financial roller coaster. Their bookkeeping is not in order. Their books haven't been cleaned up for a year or two. So I constantly speak to those problems. Okay. Hi, Elle. Thank you for joining. Hi, Dior. Thank you for joining. So we're live, you all, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, as well as LinkedIn. Okay. And I want to give you, again, 5 strategies to massively increase cash flow and revenue before 2023 is over. And I just went over 2. Now I'm going to go over the 3rd strategy. Let me know what questions you have. Put your questions and comments in the comments area and I will answer your question. Thank you, Jordan, for joining from Instagram. Thank you from TikTok, Jerry, for joining. Okay. So the 3rd strategy, enhance customer retention. Enhance customer retention. How do you do that? Number 1, turn a one-off project into multiple projects. So, for example, I'll use myself for example, right? We do bookkeeping cleanup. After we clean up a client's books, I always have a conversation with them on how are they going to keep their books cleaned up? How are they going to use their financials to grow their business? What am I doing? I'm taking that one project and I'm trying to find out a way where we can sign them up for a reoccurring service. So we're still supporting them because we've already worked with them. So who is someone you've worked with one time? Maybe you did one project, you offer one service that you can go back and now you can turn that into something monthly that you can get a retainer for and you can work for them or with them over and over again. Sometimes you just have to look how you can continue to serve your current clients, okay? So enhance your customer retention. In addition to that, if you offer VIP sessions, if you offer whatever you offer in your business, figure out how you can provide more value. So I always tell our clients, under promise and over deliver. So perfect example, if you are a consultant, right? And you do a project for a client. This is something we do here at Say Yes to Profits. You do a project for a client and you're telling them the service you're going to provide. But one thing we never talk about is that we do monthly money chats with all of our clients where we bring them together in a group setting and we create a networking opportunity, but then we're also giving them information. We don't advertise that. We don't say anything about it. When they sign up, we tell them this is a part of the service. Okay. We tell them other ways that we work with them, right? Because they're a client. So we under promise and we over deliver in so many ways. So number 3, enhance your customer retention. Welcome from LinkedIn. It doesn't show your name. It just says LinkedIn user. So welcome. Thank you for joining. The 4th way is to upsell and cross-sell. Upsell and cross-sell. So offer additional services that complements their original purchase. I sure will. I'll review this later and respond, L. Offer additional services that complements what they've already bought from you. So perfect example. I always use this example because it's so easy. McDonald's or, any fast food. When you go, most times, I don't know if they still do it now, but they'll ask, do you want fries with that? Do you want this? Do you want that? Like they're asking for more service from you. Hi, Dr. Karen. Thank you for joining. Dr. Karen is one of our clients. And you see, she says money chats are a valuable ad. We don't advertise and tell our clients that a part of their CFO package is a money chat, a group money chat with all of our clients. And we serve clients all over the United States. We just do that for them. Okay. And the fifth way to massively increase cash flow and revenue is to have multiple revenue streams. If you only have one revenue stream, that's too close to none. You need to have multiple ways money can come into your business, right? So we work with a lot of service-based businesses, a lot of consultants. So you can have a VIP, you can have a consulting project, you can have products. Like I literally just made some products that we're going to have for our clients. This is the Tax Ready Organizer book, right? Here's another book. We have courses, basically multiple streams of revenue from inside of the business. So yeah, our main service is concierge CFO services, but we can work with our clients no matter their budget, no matter where they are, we can serve them in some way. So they're benefiting and we're benefiting as well, but you need to set your business up to allow that. Is everyone with me so far? Exactly. One is too close to none. If you have one revenue stream, it is too close to none. And if I was you, I would be nervous. And I would try to figure out multiple ways to bring money into your business. All right. So we just went over the 5 secret strategies to massively increase cash flow and profit. During Passion to Profit, I'm going to walk you through how to implement all of these in your business so that money is never, ever, ever a problem. All right. Passion to Profit is a 1-day virtual masterclass where I'm going to show you how to take your passion and make profitable money moves for the rest of 2023. Right? So if you've ever felt like you're struggling, you're stressed about cash, you don't know what's going on with your money is acting funny, you need to be at Passion to Profit, right? Because you're going to get the entire plan and the action items that you can walk away from so that you stop having money problems, so that this same time next year, you're not in the same place. Now is the time to kick it up a notch and do what you need to do. So you want to secure your seat today by going to SYTPpassion.com. SYTPpassion.com. Every strategy, from the pricing strategy to how you set your business up to earn millions, to how you make sure you have more cash flow than you ever thought possible. All of those strategies we're going to go over at Passion to Profit. So go to SYTPpassion.com and secure your seat today. SYTPpassion.com. Okay. All right, you all. Well, that's my time this evening. Thank you so much for joining. I'll be back tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you join me then as well. And until I see you tomorrow, toodles.